What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a couple of products I got in from CYA Supply Company. This is not a review. I'm going to come back later and review each of the products that I talk about today. So I reached out to CYA Supply Company on Instagram, asked them could I check out a couple of things, and they were more than happy to send these to me. This is a veteran-owned company. American made, 100%, with lifetime warranty on all their products. So what you get in here is you're getting very high quality products, and they stand behind their stuff as well. I also own a couple of holsters already from this company, so I know their products are quality. So 3 things I want to talk about. Let me take a couple of these off the desk. We'll do them one at a time. Again, I'm not going to go into too much detail because I'll come back later on and do a review after I've had a chance to check out these products. So the first thing is going to be their hybrid EDC belt. It comes in a box like so. And here's the belt itself. As the name implies, it is a hybrid EDC belt designed to be worn every day and designed to hold up your gun and your magazine carrier and whatever else you carry on your belt. You got your Cobra buckles. They are a little bit smaller than average, so they fit through your belt loops on most pants. Yeah, and that's it for this. If you do notice, one last thing, the stitching is very good. So let's go ahead and set this to the side for a second. Next product they sent to me, and I've already opened it up. This is a magazine carrier. Now they've got different versions of this on the website, and you'll be able to see when you go to the website. Now this one is designed for double stack 9mm or 40 caliber magazines. So inside the packaging, you get a pretty good user's manual. You got some extra hardware to make your adjustments. So this right here is a 9mm Stoker STR9 double stack. As you can see, it fits in there perfect. There's no movement. If you want to wear this outside or inside the waistband, all you have to do is pop this clip off, flip it to the other side, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and move that to the side. That is the magazine carrier. And again, they come in different configurations depending on the gun and the magazine. Okay, lastly, this one I purchased at Academy with my own funds. So this is the inside the waistband holster made for the Taurus TH9C. So open up the packaging. You get a little tool to make your adjustments, adjust your retention. Here's the holster itself. Now you can adjust the tension here, and you also can move the belt clip to adjust the cant up and down. You got your sweat guard. Now this is made out of Boltaron, which is supposed to be a little bit more durable than standard Kydex. And of course you get a user's manual where it states you have a lifetime warranty on this and all of their products actually. And I like the fact that they always put part of the Second Amendment on here. So that's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and take everything off my desk. So all 3 of these things, I pretty much know these are quality products, but I'm still going to do my due diligence. I'm going to test them out. Again, this is the hybrid EDC belt. This is the magazine carrier. And then this is the holster designed for the TH9C. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the full review. And again, thank you CYA Supply Company for sending this stuff out to me. I really appreciate it. And I'm Tactical Black Guy. I'm out. Peace.